That's easy. And that's why some people excel in parenting where others fail. It's easy to just let your kids do whatever they want to do. It is. It's an easier way. I've babysat. I haven't reared children from beginning to end, so I may get a little shade here, but the facts are the facts. I've seen parenting. I've been a parent. I mean, I've babysat or whatever. I've been parented. That's what I was trying to say. I've been parented by my parents, whom I've lost. However, all that being said, it takes time and work to raise a child. It is so easy just to say, go do what you want to do. Go watch that TV. Go watch the tablet. Go do this. Go do that. But to actually sit and have a conversation with them, to actually make sure that they're okay. All that takes time. It takes energy. Okay. My nieces used to stay with me when they were little. They lived with us for like 4 months at a time because I had a daycare and they were part of that. My sisters would send them here during the summer. And we're sitting there and we're having conversations. And it's like one day Jeffrey and I had some words, right? And my niece was like, why is Uncle Jeff doing that? And I was like, oh, he's not really upset. We're just having, I forgot what I said. Something like we're just having a conversation. So then later her and Jeff was duking it out about something. Who knows? And she says, oh, no, Auntie, all is well. She was kind of grown. Everything's okay. Me and Uncle just having a conversation. So my point is, it takes time to teach children. It takes time, okay? So you can easily do it the other way. Just go for it, But I'm into slow cooked meals over here. Plus, I don't have nothing else to do but train you, okay? That time that I would have spent with a kitty, I got time for you. And you'll tell when I have more time than not to discuss something because we'll go a few minutes deeper. I'm like, okay, let's do this. Or I'm like, I have to just tell you what to do because I got my own signing. So you'll be able to tell some days when I have a little bit more time. But regardless, though, you're going to know what to do. And you're going to know how to do it like a what, people? Like a pro. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what comments. Oh, yeah, here we go. Notary in Real Life says, I have the Google review card and it works so easy to use. Jasmine saying the same thing. That review card is handy for sure. So easy. So what everyone is talking about in chat again is one of our mentees. He mentioned that in one of our sessions. So like I said, each one teach one. So as he's learning, he's telling us, I'm sharing it with everybody. So, hey, guess what? We all win. We all win. Okay. Another one with the notary journal. I created these beautiful notary journals, right? And one of my mentees, he was like, well, hey, can I get this in paperback? I was like, I thought about it that evening. I said, not paperback, hardback. Because I got 15 different journals you can choose from. All states can use them. California, I'm going to challenge you to kind of dig a little bit deeper. But other than that, all states can use them freely, okay? Because nobody else. Some states don't even require you have a journal, okay? But I just say California because you guys are a little tricky. My California people know. I love y'all because I got some in my class. But California always require me to think a little bit extra, okay? And they're their own country. California people. I love y'all though. But y'all made me think, okay? Anyway, that being said, so with the notary journal though, he was like, hey, can I get this in hardback? And I said, I was like, I don't know. I hadn't really thought about it, to be honest with you. I did a little bit, but then I was like, who wants hardback? So after he asked, your girl got on it that night. So yes, you can get all 15 journals, red, green, blue. I don't know if I got a green one. Let me take that back. But we do have red, purple, pink, light pink, horses, cats, dogs, cars. I mean, we got some nice journals, y'all. Check out the Notary Journal Collection at NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. All right, let's get some more of these comments. So you guys can see, I mean, we're dropping gems over in mentorship. If you're not over there, you need to be. All right. Amen. It's inspiring and motivating. Lori's like, you produce a quality product. Talked about dynamite. Hey, Willie Pinnell. What's up? Good evening. Caught your live. Hey, Jew. Is it Jua Diva? I'm glad you're here. Welcome. Yeah, Jasmine's like, it take a lot raising kids. So I'm not calling my notaries children, but what I am saying though is to grow a business, it's just like a baby. You got to grow that thing. It takes time, honey. Okay. It takes time. Cece says, thank you. I'm so interested and just got my notary. Hey, Cece. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, the best place for you to start is going to be you Start Your Notary Business book that I have written. And it's one for each state. So get the one for your state. And that's going to teach you the basics of how to start that business. And then you'll double back after you get your commission, and we'd be more than happy to help you with mentorship. And I'll talk about that now. I think we're at a good point to talk about mentorship. But with the mentorship program, you have 2 points of entry now. It could be $27 per month or $47 per month. The $27 per month gets you your core classes that you need to get started and to notarize like a pro. You're in Georgia. Okay. It doesn't matter what state you're in. We teach all 50. So it doesn't matter, but welcome to Georgia Peach. But again, we teach all 50. So state doesn't matter. You just need to know how to properly notarize. Again, we teach all 50. We got Nevada, we got California, we got Tennessee, we got Illinois, we got Michigan, we got all states in the group. So it doesn't matter what state you're in. Some of the laws may change a little bit, but it's just a wee bit. You know, one state requires a journal, one doesn't. So you still have to read your handbook, but we fill in all the other gaps for you. Everything else you need, we got you covered. Literally, we have 16 courses plus the replay. So, I mean, whatever you need, literally, we got you. Okay. I'm also in your class under my government name. Oh, okay. No worries. Okay. I might call you J Diva because I don't know what the J-U-A. If you want to spell out how to say it, okay. I'm always shortening somebody's name. But anyway, the mentorship program. So you got 2 entry points, $27 or $47. The main difference is you get all the courses with the $47. You get the Group Me live chat, which runs 7 days per week. We start typically as early as 9. And we'll run it to around 11-ish because I have Eastern time, because I have a few people on the West Coast. So I would love to shut it down at 5 o'clock. But again, some of my West Coast people, Nevada people, Mountain Time and all that, they may not get a signing until Judiva. Okay. They may not get a signing until, thanks for being here too. And being a mentorship. We appreciate it. They may not get a signing though until 9 o'clock at night. So on my time, that's sometimes the latest call I've had to do is 12:30. And they know who they are. I won't throw them on the bus. And it's not even throwing them on the bus. They're in California. They can't help where they live at. But, you know, what we say we're going to help you. And we help you. Okay. My Midwest people, Willie Pinnell, is not a big deal because they're Central Time. And this is usually an hour. So I'm usually up till midnight, usually. But again, we don't like the chat to go too much past 12 o'clock because people are sleeping. You know, everybody's on different time zones. So when the chat is ringing and dinging, you know, some people are like, hey, can I cut this off? It's too many chats. And some people don't want to miss not one thing in the chat. So you have options. You can cut it off if you want to and read it at your leisure, you know, or you can actually just hang out with us because when it starts popping, it's popping. So it just depends on what the day looks like, though. So all things notary, though, you can check out notaryeducatorsllc.com. Now, we still do offer the, let me put the code in here again, just in case we had somebody want to join us. I've just been inviting people to join me on stage if they want to talk about their business. No pressure. Only thing you do have to have your camera on. I'll put that here. I got a few more minutes, like 15, if somebody wanted to hop on. But what I was going to say about the courses are we still offer the single courses. So some people are like, hey, I don't want to do mentorship right now. I just want to buy the Apostille course. I just need the Apostille Like a Pro. Master Apostille Like a Pro. 60% off. Coupon code is WIN, WIN 2025. Okay. You can get Notarized Like a Pro. Also, all the courses are 60% off. So you can get whatever you want at your convenience. You own those. Again, coupon code is WIN 2025. Okay, so you got plenty of options to train with us. We got you.